1 second. All right, sorry about that for those of you on YouTube. I'm assuming you can hear me now. Let me know. All right, you can hear me now. Great. Sorry about that for those of you watching on YouTube. Let's see. What about Cardano? I mean, Cardano seems to be holding strong. Hey, what's up, Crypto People? Yeah, I've been really busy too. So on Friday I had something all day. Saturday I had to catch up because I had something all day. So and then Sunday I just don't post on Sundays. So that was what was going on. Safe Moon predictions, nothing. Like I just think it's going to lie dormant for a while. You're going to have to wait for Bitcoin to have a run, for Ethereum, for major alts, and then you'll see some action with Safe Moon. But I don't think it's dead, but I do think it's kind of lying silent. So, what's up, Council of Five? What is up? So, all right, thank you for that feedback, those of you on YouTube. I am live on YouTube right now. It is a better viewing experience. So, how do you feel about having your entire portfolio on Voyager app? Want to put a majority of my crypto on Voyager so I can start earning interest? Do you think it's safe to do? What are the risks? Also, what do you think of the Celsius app? They have no fees. Voyager has high withdrawal fees. Okay. I am comfortable. I am comfortable holding my crypto on a platform. I have 9 different platforms, and so I am more comfortable with 9 different ones than holding it on one. But these are not the days of Mount Gox. These are very secure. And so I have very little fear. Hey, what's up, Clarence? Personally, like Voyager, use many exchanges. Yeah. Binance being banned in the UK. Yeah, I heard that. I don't have any thoughts, but yeah, that's pretty crazy. So, all right. I do like the Celsius. I don't use the Celsius app, but I know enough about it that I do like it. So, so yeah. So yeah, Binance is banned in the UK. I'm not worried about Binance. You know, Binance will never be banned in China. I don't think it's going to be banned in the United States. So those are the 2 big ones you got to pay attention to. Are we already on a bear market? We are in a bear market, not the bear market. So do I think Bitcoin will go? All right, it's not banned in the UK. Okay, never mind. I don't know. Oh, futures are banned. Okay. I think that's a good thing. Do you think Bitcoin will go below 30K again? Yes. I'm going to say yes. I could see it in the bear market potentially going below 30K. I don't think so. But between short-term, either short-term or long-term, I would say it's like a 50-50 chance short-term that it's going to go below 30K. I think it's a 50-50 chance like in 2023 that would go below 30K. So between that, I'll say yes. All right, let's see. These guys who ran off with 3.6 billion in Bitcoin. Yeah, I made a TikTok about that. PSA: anytime anyone offers you 10% daily returns, run away. Do not listen to them. All right, Binance also in Canada. BML is banned. I don't know what's. Yeah, all right. It could be Binance FUD. Yeah. How long do you think for Doge to hit $1? About a year, maybe. I answered the question about Bitcoin below 30K. More power. Binance Labs is banned. Okay. See, I'm not. I saw an article titled. That's all I know, honestly. So, all right. Do you think we are back on the rise? Not until July, really. I mean, but hey, it's June 28th, so two and a half more days in June. If you could buy 3 crypto this month, I mean, Bitcoin and Ethereum are always going to be up there. So other than that, I'll say Chainlink. Thoughts on Pancake Bunny? I like it for staking. I don't like the coin. The coin is trash, but I like staking on there. BSV going up 30% today. Nothing. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is with that. So, Jared, thank you. I am doing well. Yeah, Binance Bank is the futures. They will do what they did here in Binance UK, etc. Yeah, that's just long term. That's not a concern. So, all right. Will Ethereum go back to its highest it's ever been before? Oh yeah, easily. Listen, EIP 1559 is super bullish for Ethereum. It's turning it deflationary. Right now, Ethereum is inflationary. EIP 1559, which is coming out in July, will turn it deflationary. I mean, I would be bullish on Ethereum even if it wasn't deflationary. So, all right, just joined. What did I miss out on? Not a ton. I've been live for about 10 minutes. So, talking about Ethereum, talking about Binance, parts of Binance being banned in the UK. ETH prediction by the end of the year, $5,000. End of the cycle, $15,000. Cardano, I mean, nothing. It is holding very strong. That's all I'll say. I am impressed with how Cardano is holding. XRP is going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. I've been saying that for a while. Pi, how does it work? I'm kind of waiting and seeing about Pi. So nothing for you, sorry. I do mine it on my phone, but we'll see. Maybe it will one day be worth something. Why is Bitcoin so correlated with alts? Yeah, I mean, that's just how it is. It's not going to be like that forever. These alts need to perform on their own and not on Bitcoin, and that will happen. All right, so play a lot of poker, new to crypto. This feels like I'm chasing every time I buy the dip. Yeah, I mean, we are in a bear market. That's what it's going to feel like. How much is it to buy into Ethereum? You can buy like $10 of Ethereum, or you could buy one whole Ethereum, which is a little over $2,100 right now. It just depends. There's nothing about buying into Ethereum. You buy as much or as little as you want. ZK rollups, I'm very bullish. Okay, yeah. Is it true that new Las Vegas World Resort accepts cryptocurrency? I have no idea. I don't really pay much attention to Las Vegas. All right, how much is? Oh wait, no. What's Dot's future like? I mean, Dot is a competitor with Ethereum, with Cardano, with Solana. It's a crowded field. I do like Polkadot. I think Dot has a future. So, happy to see the market moving up. I hated that the only crypto that was making profit was Doge. Me too. 5 coins long term: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. What is Theta's competition? AIOZ, I still don't know how to pronounce it, AIOZ, which is pretty new, but I really like Theta. So I know you've been in the market for a while. Any concern with historical drops in early July every year? Yeah, there's a concern. I mean, I've been saying U-shaped recovery. I'm not expecting much out of July. So I do think it'll go up a little bit in July, a fair amount in August. But yeah. So I think Solana will compete with ETH in the next few years. In a sense, they will be a competitor, but I think ETH will always be the king of platform-type cryptos. So, but why? I mean, at second, I'm not sure. I don't remember what you're asking. Oh, why is it so correlated? Yeah, I'll get to that in a second. Poker is quick. I don't know what you're saying, Council of Five. I was just reading somebody's question about poker. So. Doge still to $1? Yeah, I think so. Eventually, within a year. Thank you, MVJ. Really appreciate that. Yeah, why is it so correlated? I don't know. I mean, it's like that's always been the case. And as cryptocurrencies mature, I expect that to happen less. So Dapper. Any thoughts on Live Peer, a Theta competitor? I haven't looked into Live Peer, so I don't know. So. Thoughts on 1inch? I don't know enough about 1inch. Sorry. Is it time to buy just now? I mean, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, I'd say every day is a good time to buy, especially in the 30,000 range. Yeah, 0.1 second. It is what it is, man. So let's see. Matic top, I'm thinking like $5. What do I think about AMP? For the short term, I would say stay away. For another week or two, stay away. But, who knows after that. Harmony to $1, maybe. So Boots, Metablock, I don't know what you're asking. So, yeah, Doge still to $1, I think so. Theta Zilla, nothing. I'm not buying Theta Zilla. Thoughts on Cardano? I mean, in general, I'm bullish. I think people are a little tricked by the price at $1.33. The market cap is huge, and so I don't think it's going to 100x or anything. I think that's insane. I'm thinking more like $8 at the peak of this cycle. HBAR by 2025, close to 100. No. Maybe like 50. I'm very bullish on HBAR though. So, do I know anything about Zilliqa? I know in general where people are predicting the price. I don't know a ton. I think, I've seen price predictions like between $4 and $7. I think that's a little too aggressive. So, I do think VET will reach $1. Yeah. Harmony, I just said, stay away from Harmony. Oh wait, not Harmony. Never mind. I think it's possible for Harmony to reach $1 this cycle. I think that's like on the outside realm of possibility. When's the peak of this cycle? It depends on who you ask. There are people saying it's going to be this fall. I think it's going to be in first or second quarter of 2022. And when will VET reach $1? I'm thinking first and second quarter of 2022. All right, 1inch has a very usable DeFi and swap app that seems to be ideal for those getting to that stage of crypto. Okay, yeah, that sounds great. When does the cycle restart? Whenever the next halving is. So Chainlink in 4 years, maybe 1,000. That's I don't like making predictions like that. 4 years, that's a long time from now. But what wallet? You can move it to Voyager. Big money guys from my camping trip had their minds blown for me discussing DeFi. Nice. For those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now. Look up World War Bitcoin. I am able to answer every question on YouTube, but not on TikTok. So Shiba is going to be dormant. I do think that it's not going to die. I think a lot of those meme coins will die, but Shiba won't. So it will go higher eventually, but it's got a long way to go before it goes higher. I mean, it was 18th in market cap at one point. It's not going to, that's really high. So, Mana, no thoughts. Sorry. Thank you, One Rad Day. Quant by 2025, I have no idea. I know Quant is killing it right now. That's great to see. But I'm not even going to give a prediction. Crow, I really like the Crypto.com platform. I am bullish on Crow. I know it hasn't done well over the last few months, but I do expect it to. Expectation on Bitcoin and ETH by the end of the year. Bitcoin like 80,000, ETH like 5,000. End of the cycle, I would say closer to 200,000 for Bitcoin and 15,000 for ETH. Monica, I think we are in a bear market, but not the bear market. There's a key distinction. I think I am very bullish on Bitcoin and ETH and crypto in general over the next year. So, Avalanche, don't know enough. Next Bitcoin run, the fall. HBAR use Exodus. Okay, yeah, I've said about Shiba already. Cardano, I've just shared a decent amount about Cardano. I'm kind of waiting and seeing they talk a big game, and maybe they'll deliver on those things. We'll see. Have I heard of the Collective coin? I haven't. No. So, thank you, MVJ. Really appreciate that. Yeah, I've heard of FEG. I have no interest in FEG. Not an aggressive enough burn. So, I believe that Crow a while back burned a record-setting amount of token. All right. Apps, I would love to go to Amsterdam. Yeah, I may be going to Croatia in a couple of years. And if so, then we're going to go to Berlin because my wife lived there for a year. And so maybe we'll stop by Amsterdam. That would be awesome. All right. Basic attention. Any price predictions? No. I'm not really bullish on BAT. I don't use the Brave browser. I tried it out. Just not my thing. So that usually means that in general I'm not going to be bullish on the price. All right. Dash. I don't know enough. Sorry. What wallet do you use on PancakeSwap? I connect my Trust wallet to PancakeSwap. Sorry. All right. I'm hopping on to my YouTube chat here because there's a lot of questions I've missed. Umbrella network like Chainlink. I'm not sure, Waz, what you're asking. I love Chainlink, though, if that's what you're asking. So, Cosmos, I have some. I am bullish. I'm thinking like $100 this cycle. Thank you so much, Anna. Their platform and DeFi wallet are pretty solid, IMO. All right, you're talking about Crow. Okay. Yeah, I really like Crow. So, let's see. Chili's, don't know enough. Synthetics, the little that I know, everything that I know about SNX I've gotten from Crypto Mason. I'm just going to recommend that you follow him and look at his content on it. He's very, very bullish. Will Ethereum pass Bitcoin price? One day maybe, because Ethereum is going to be deflationary here. Who knows though? IQ, I don't know enough. RSR, CHZ, nothing. Sorry. Yeah, pencil sharpener in the background. Yeah. XRP. Four questions about XRP. Hold your XRP. You want to be holding it before any news of that SEC suit ending happens. Once that's dropped, I am bullish on it. I do think that they are either going to win or settle. And I am live on YouTube right now. Follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Smash up that like button, all that stuff. So, bullish on Aave. In general, yes, I am. So, how low are we going with Bitcoin? 20K? I don't think 20K, but, one of my friends, the crypto weatherman, says 13 to 20K. He's basing that off of a stock market crash. He thinks the stock market is going to crash. And if he's right, then yeah, Bitcoin will go down to those levels. But that's going to be an amazing buying opportunity. Crashes are amazing buying opportunities in general. So Ampleforth predictions. I haven't looked at Ampleforth really since it got listed on Coinbase, so I don't have one. Good morning, good afternoon, Princess Nessa. So let's see. What did you say about HBAR? It's a long-term hold for me. Solana, yeah, I am super bullish on Solana for sure. I think it's going to be worth in 2025 what Ethereum is worth now. So just found out on Craigslist that there's an election to say if you will accept crypto. Oh, okay. Still bullish on Theta instead of Fuel, or where do you think you can go? What? I'm bullish on both. I own Theta. I don't own T-Fuel, but I wish I did. So ETH on top, long hold, absolutely, yeah. Ethereum price prediction in the next 6 months. I'm thinking like what did I say? 5,000. I think the big action is going to happen in 2022, early 2022. So, yes. If for those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am sorry I missed it. I get a notification on my screen. So, make merch and sell it for crypto. Man, I should. Maybe I should. So, I have not committed to that yet. Yeah, 5,000, I believe, around there or so. Also, cool. Yeah, I think so. Anything on SafeMoon? It's going to be dormant. I do think it'll pass its all-time high at some point, but sorry, I was reading another comment. Now we're gonna have to see runs in Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoins before anything happens with SafeMoon. Thank you, Technically Fundamental. Yeah. Bitcoin, not really a fan. Are you? Yeah. My username is World War Bitcoin. I'm a huge fan. Oh, for now you're not. Okay. I think Bitcoin needs to regain some of its dominance. It's under 50% still. That is not normal. So, however that happens, whether it's a crash or just Bitcoin shoots up in price, I think that Bitcoin will outperform alts short term. Except the only thing that holds me back from that is EIP 1559 launching for Ethereum, which is coming in July. So maybe we'll see a run up with Ethereum, and then we'll see what happens after that. Decentraland, nothing. I don't know enough about Decentraland. Hey, what's up, Sean? Am I buying any crypto? Not a ton. I'm only really buying Bitcoin, but I would encourage, if you're looking for a short-term play, Ethereum would be a good short-term play. So, all right. Did you see the interview with R3 Corda developer talking about XRP? Excellent. I did not know. 2.0. I don't know what you're saying. I'm saying EIP 1559, not ETH 2.0. So let's see. Thank you, Council of Five. All right. Yellow Man, thank you so much. Might have missed, but what about HBAR? Yeah, I've answered that. That's a long-term hold. for me. Um, do I like the hash graph more than the blockchain? Not necessarily, but it's new, it's fresh, and maybe HBAR will be the Bitcoin of hash graph technology. And HBAR has issues with the SEC. HBAR doesn't have to worry about that. So, newbie bought in high. Do you believe Bitcoin and ETH will someday go back up? Yeah. If you hold for 12 months, I am very, very convinced that it will surpass those levels that you bought in at those prices. Hey, what's up? Fry not fry. He says, oh wait, all right. Sorry if you already touched base on this, but was wondering what your thoughts on Doge. I'm not expecting much for Doge for the next few months. I think we really need to see some major positive action with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with other alts, and then Doge will have its day. So just like what happened, throughout the fall of 2020 into the early parts of January, of 2021, I think that's what has to happen with Doge. So, all right, he says XRP and XLM will basically be the new financial system. We have JP Morgan creating their own cryptocurrency. They don't necessarily need XRP and XLM. I'm sure some banks will pick it up, which is why I hold plenty of XRP and XLM. I am bullish long term. I just don't think, things along those lines. So, long term price prediction for HBAR, $200 this decade. Thanks, I'm holding. Yeah, sweet. XLM, yeah, just shared thoughts on XLM. My pleasure, Riley. Cardano, man, I like Cardano. I'm just going to stop and say that I've already given 2 long explanations with Cardano. I hope that doesn't offend you, Felipe. So, plans for crypto after this bull cycle, I'll mostly be in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I will have some Binance and Chainlink and HBAR, holding on to that, and then I'm going to probably half my portfolio is going to be in stable coins, getting somewhere between 9 and 15% APR. So how much Bitcoin do you think is actually out there? I heard that due to lost keys, et cetera, it could be as low as 15 million. I think, from everything that I've read, for about 4 to 6 million Bitcoin are lost forever. And I think that would be what my guess would be. Paxos and B of A have got a system in place too. Yeah. XRP ideas hold. Wait until after the SEC suit is over. So please do some research on Energy Web Token for the future. Seems very important. All right. All right. I had to block somebody. Don't be rude. Doge's coming back eventually, but not for a while. ETH Classic. Ethereum will perform well. People will look at Ethereum and be like, that's too expensive. Let me get something else. Oh, hey, this other thing has Ethereum. So for short term, sure, it's fine. But I don't like Ethereum Classic. Is ETH done crashing? Perhaps. EIP 1559 is coming out. I do see that as a buy the hype, sell the event type event. So be careful with it, but I think it's a good short-term play. I've heard of Gitcoin. I don't know anything about it. CFRI. You're saying buy to the person I blocked. Okay. Any new projects I've heard of? Not really. I'll pay attention to new projects in end of 2022, early 2023, and I'll pour a lot of money into those things, but not for now. SHIB, it's going to be dormant for a while. VET, very bullish on VET. I know it's not performing well over the last few months, but still very bullish. I think it's going to hit $1. So, would you buy XRP or wait until July? You know what? I would wait because I'm hearing that this bull run could potentially, or sorry, not the bull run, the SEC suit could potentially go until 2022. So I'm looking, I'd rather, if I'm going to invest my money in it, get some other, some shorter term gains than that. So hard protocol, nothing. Smart to buy Doge and still hold for the future. I would buy other cryptocurrency. I think a lot of other cryptos are going to outperform Doge. So in the short to medium term, like in the next 3 months, I think they will outperform Doge. Cello, don't know enough. Sorry. Wait for new projects until the market sets itself. In a sense, yeah. Oh, no worries, Shermer. You still think we're in a bull market? No, I think we're in a bear market. I've been very clear about that, but we are not in the bear market. So, yeah. Good short-term plays. Listen, I mean, Ethereum has EIP 1559 launching. I do think that's going to be a buy the hype, sell the event type thing, but I also think that's long-term, that's super bullish for it. So, that's a short-term play for the buy the hype, sell the event. Buy ETH now or wait. I mean, it's up 14.25% today. I would say now's not for the moment. That tomorrow at this time might be a better time to get in than today. Which ones will outperform Doge? I mean, over the next 3 months, I think what's going to happen is for Bitcoin to have its run, for Ethereum to have its run, for altcoins to follow suit, and then after that, it'll be like Doge. So, Ethereum 2 staking smart. If you are a long-term holder of Ethereum, then absolutely. But you have to hold it for at least 2 years or something like that. So, I have not looked at Bainbridge bonds. No, sorry. Oh, Sterling Russell, thank you so much. Hold on a second. Let me get back here. I was away from the chat. All right, I'm going to respond to YouTube comments. Again, I will answer every question you ask on YouTube, but I can't. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Guys, I'm sorry. I just got a text, and I have to run. But, Sterling, since you did a super chat, I'll be happy to answer your question, but then I have to run. I'm really sorry about that. I have a meeting that was moved up. It was scheduled for 3, and I just got a notification that they moved it up. So, thoughts on HBAR? I mean, I don't know if you were here when I was talking about it, Sterling, but I'm very bullish on HBAR. I see it as long-term hold. I think it's going to hit 3 figures this decade. And if I think that something is going to hit 3 figures, in general, I'm gonna be bullish about it. I'm not gonna want to play. I'm not gonna try to time it. I'm just going to hold on to it, and then maybe cash out around that time. So I am intrigued by the hash graph. HBAR is not a blockchain cryptocurrency. It is not decentralized, which I know for a lot of people that triggers them. That doesn't necessarily bother me. Especially given who's backing it, the companies that have partnered with it, but also the fact that it's kind of gotten its clearance by the United States government. I don't think the government is going to succeed in shutting down crypto, especially Bitcoin, but they're going to do a lot to limit it and to hamper it over the short term. And so HBAR will kind of be like Forrest Gump. Bubba Gump Shrimp Company surviving that tornado or that hurricane. And I believe that HBAR has a long and prosperous future. But I'm going to run. I just had that notification, a text that I unfortunately have a meeting that was scheduled for 3 that's being moved up now. So much love to you all. Everyone tap your screens. Thank you, Sam Sandu. I got to go. I'll be back this afternoon. So see you all. And for those of you on YouTube, I am still live, but I'm going to press the stop streaming button